Ooh, welcome back, man. Another day, another transmission. This time, guys, this is 8-speed, 8 HP transmission, ZF. All right, wheel drive. Now, this car gave off a code that specifically says, some fault codes will specifically just say replace transmission under recommended things to do. I think this is one of those codes. I have to look it up, but I already took the battery off. I'm sure it'll still be in the memory, but the one I did the other day was a nag. This one looks like it's going to be a little easier. Same thing to do, guys. Same. It's a different body, but I'm going to drop the sway bar, and looks like it's just going to drop straight. Yes. Going to clear that bar so I don't have to go back. So I can just come straight down. So how hard is the starter to get out? Yes, I may have to drop the rack. Remember I told y'all last time, don't worry about what people think. If you got to get that rack out your way, get it out your way. Looks like this is going to be easy. It's bolted to a 3.6 Pentastar, not a Hemi, so it's not a big V8. Should be able to get the bell housing bolts off easy. Cooler lines off easy. This look pretty damn easy. Should I drain it? Some models come with a drain plug, some don't. We'll see. And remove the drive shaft. Not even remove it, guys. Just disconnect it from here. No big deal at all. Okay, yeah, this is just the cover. Crank sensor right here, just in case anybody wondering. Where's the crank sensor on the Pentastar? I'm just going through the motion, guys. I can't just jump on a car and go to work. I have to meditate. I have to, prepare myself mentally. Differential, drain, feel. I always try to sell that with a trans job because it's part of the drivetrain, right? Right. All right. I ain't even got to take the tires out, guys. Talk about easy peasy. Where is my new unit? Guys, we already discussed this, remember? I have no idea who the hell make this. I'm pretty upset that they didn't let me build it. I could have built it my damn self. All I need is an overhaul kit and a torque converter. Now, granted, I ain't gonna know what kind of hard part I need to get in it, but to start, I need a torque converter and a overhaul kit. We can't get those. All right, guys, let me get this transmission out. I'll holler back at y'all later. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, what's going on? Pretty quick update, guys. This is the one we're doing the transmission on. Now, guys, don't panic. This is held up. There's no strain on this. It's held up by this. But look, y'all remember the other day I was doing a nosy 30 video walking around. Remember we walked over to the other side of my buddy at, and he had that he was doing a transmission and had the rack out. Now, guys, I see why. Let me explain to you guys what is going on. This has to be, and what's weird, this ain't my first one, but I didn't think about it until it's time to do one. Okay, this is same transmission I'm taking out as he took out. All right, well, in fact, watch that video. Just a typical nosy dirty 30 in the shop. Well, guys, here's the torque converter, boys. In order to remove a transmission, the torque converter has to be disconnected from the flywheel. Hold on. Easy does it might be in here. It may be attached to the flex plate. Okay, flex plate. Yes. So, guys, look what you have to do to get to it. Number one, you got to remove the rack out of your way. Number two, what used to be there is a starter. So the starter, I literally had to take it all the way out. That's it right there. Forget disconnecting it and move it to the side. I had to take it out. The reason why, that's the only way you can get to the torque converter bolts. You would think you maybe can go on this side. It was a little shield right there that's moving, but you can't even see the torque converter bolts from here. So I had to get it from here, guys. And let me tell you something, by the way. If you do build you a little ratchet swivel setup to finally get in there on a 13, here's what I did, and I just put a breaker bar right here and broke it loose. Guys, do not use an impact. You do not want to hammer on these little sensitive 13 millimeter bolts. If you round these off, oh my goodness, you talk about doom. You doom. If you round this off, you doom. So I got 5 out now. There's one more still in there. So let me show y'all. Here's what I'm using. My swivel 13. I mean, you need to set it on there and just turn. Make sure it's a good 6 point. All right, don't hammer on there with an impact, because if you round that off, that's a wrap. I think I got one more bolt still in here. I am so freaking. This is the bulk of the time. I would have knocked this out in an hour. This is all my time right here. It's 6 total, right? So you gotta have a way to rotate the here it is. You need a way to rotate the engine so you can turn the flywheel. Normally I go through the crank right here, but no room right here, so I just stuck a pry bar up here and rotate the flywheel. But oh my freaking, so yes, that's why they had the rack out, and that's why I had to take the, at least lower the rack if nothing else. But I got it out, guys. I got all 6 bolts out. Now everything's gonna be easy peasy. Whew. All right, just in case y'all didn't know, in order to get the torque converter bolts out of Charger Challenger 300, starter has to come off because the bolts are behind the starter. That's the only way you can get to it. All right, let me finish, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. As you can see, I got it out. Ooh, this one gave me a little hell. I almost lost this one, guys. That's why I say make sure you use a strap, guys. I had the jack tilted the wrong way. But anyway, I think I was fighting with this. I don't know why they bolted the brake. That's for the brake booster, artificial vacuum supply assist. Well, anyway, guys, look. This is the torque converter hose, right? Look. Only way to get to them is through this. This is where the starter go. So you got to turn this just right to get in there and get those freaking 6 bolts. All right. So, yeah, it wasn't no fun. That's the only hardest part about the whole freaking job. Yeah. And make sure you use a nice, good, strong, brand new 6-point, because you do not want to round this off, because remember, you're fighting with it trying to get through here. All right, guys, I'm not gonna bother. Y'all saw how I take transmission off jacks and put them on the other one, so I'm not gonna bother with that. I will have to transfer this bushing cushion to blow. Where's my new one? We already saw this. I don't even want to talk about this no more. I'm upset that they won't let me build them. Yeah, boys. About that time, ladies and gentlemen. Got it all set out. S&K. Still don't know who the hell that is. And I still don't know how they get a chance to overhaul the 8 HP transmission and the one JT, the car guy, can't. Where are they getting parts from? Okay, that is the big question. I don't know. But I can't waste any more time trying to figure it out. Let me line these up as close as possible to, oh, this way. Yeah, it's gonna, I gotta make sure, because I ain't got much room to work with, guys. So I gotta be right on point. Y'all see how hard it was to get those torque converter bolts out. I don't know what's this writing all about. Remember, guys, what I told you on the last video, make sure ain't no dust around there signaling the flywheel coming apart. Flex plate, flex plate. Sorry, easy does it. Sorry, it's a flex plate. It's a manual transmission. They tend to call it a flywheel. All right, guys, I have a work to do. I'm gonna shut this video down because nothing else to it. Remember, guys, these are not tutorial videos. Let me put that out there, okay? I don't want anybody to get upset. Oh my God, he didn't show us how to do nothing. No, this is not a tutorial. I cannot create tutorial videos in here. All right, I can only merely talk about what I'm doing. I can't even do repair videos in here. I can talk in here though. Okay, so that is all I'm doing, talking with you guys. All right, so let me stop talking for a second and get this in, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video.